There we go. I'm going to start the engine. It's a push button. The sound side bike. The engine. The hood out. The sign, I put the sign here. Kind of loud, so I'm going too fast. Here's the engine. Okay.